Dear students, it is the 7th video about revision, and we are covering in this video reader's adaptation, audience analysis, and special stylistic issues in technical and business writing. Fine. What means by audience reader's adaptation? Reader's adaptation means to write, design, create, compose, deliver, share something according to the need, interest, desire, and wish of the audience. Clear? It is called so that the very person may understand that concept clearly and accurately. Fine. Therefore, to adopt such techniques in oral and written, that your content, message, code, discussion may be more flavored, attractive, interesting, informative, creative at the level of the person is called reader's adaptation. Fine. Achieving reader's adaptation involves many communication and linguistical elements, that the use of language, sentences structures, logic, the reasons, typography, exemplification, comparison and contrast, that must be made very clear. Well, you have got this idea. Here it is written, all this. Adapt yourself to meet the needs, interests, and backgrounds of the readers. Adaptations need the following point, that is called audience analysis. That the concept of adaptation or the adaptation can well be achieved if you have understood briefly and accurately the the audience traits. These are the following points. Examples have already been expressed: background, knowledge, experience, and training, needs and interest of your clear, different cultures, other demographic characteristics, more than one audience, wide variability in an audience, that when audience are more than one. Suppose you are running an online academy to teach computer sciences to the people all over the world. Now, to get success in teaching and to improve your exchequer or income, you must understand that the students going to enroll with you, their background, knowledge, experience, and training in that particular field where they want you to guide, their level of needs and interest, their cultures, are they American, British, New Zealand, Islanders, or whatsoever. Demographic characteristics mean these are the demographic characteristics: age groups, type of residence, area of residence, gender, political preferences, and so on. And then if your audience are more than one, it means that you have to adopt some format of mass communication, creating groups and classes and all others. Clear? And wide variability in the audience. If your audience is more, or their interests are different, or their needs are more, then you have to opt different style and content for the successful communication. Here it means that once you have made your audience analysis properly, clear, and you have planned to write some report for the people, so you have to make these points if, and the major point is to writing a report for non-technical audience, so these points must be considered. Add information readers need to understand your document. Omit information your readers don't need. Change the level of information you currently have. Add examples to help readers understand. Change the level of examples. Change the organization of your information. Strengthen transitions. Clear. Write stronger introductions, conclusions, and summaries. Create topic sentences for paragraphs and paragraph groups. Change sentences styles and length. Work on sentences clarity and economy. Use more different graphics. Break up text into meaningful, usable chunks. Add cross reference to import information. Use headings and lists. Use special typography. And now there are some specific scientific issues in writing. Eliminating contractions, that do not use the contact words, short words, conversational expressions. Fine. Next, do not include your feelings and personifications, rather be objective. Choose gender neutral language. Fine. Examples are given, and do not use wrong adjectives and wrong adverbs. Examples are black and red, and use less I and we, and if you have to use to in certain situations. This is all about the video 8th, and now I would like to share something, that your exam is going to be online. It is first experience of yours. You will be given sufficient time, but remember that cheating and plagiarism is not allowed. Everybody should read the question paper properly, look the marks, and solve it on the separate sheet, and later on you will have to make the snapshots and then fix that under the questions. Your questions will be as normal as your uh, regular exams. Fine. Similar, the question marks, style, everything is the same. Fine. In case of any problem, you can openly talk to me. Thank you very much.